I am excited to welcome you to the new live coaching lineup. There is truly nothing like it. So let's get to it. Unlock your potential with 10X Monday Live. 10X Monday. It is a transformative journey every Monday. We are going to dive deep into the power of mindset, confidence, developing the things that are above and beyond what you usually get that will truly lead to your success. You're going to discover the critical skills to live the life of your dreams. Join us for these interactive sessions, and they're going to empower you to use the tools to reshape your thinking and unlock your true potential. It's not just about coaching, it's a life-changing experience. Tech Tuesday, embrace the future. Tech Tuesday is your gateway to the digital age, from ChatGPT to the latest in AI, the vast world of social media. We've got it all. Stay ahead in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Learn, adapt, and grow with insights from industry experts. This is your path to tech savviness, and it begins here. EWTS Wednesday, Mastering Conversations. Welcome to EWTS Wednesday, Exactly What to Say. Here, we focus on exactly what to say from the actual book. Learn the scripts and techniques that are going to make a difference. Enhance your communication skills and connect better with your clients that will lead to better success. Transform your conversational prowess every Wednesday. We'll be here. Throwback Thursday, building success for your life and business. Throwback Thursday is about learning from the past and the things that are proven to build successful skills in the future. Dive into the skills, the knowledge, the systems that have proven results. Join us for sessions that provide practical, repeatable, and predictable approaches to build your business and grow. It is truly time to build your legacy. All right, are you ready? Make sure it's on your calendar. Let's go.